I think that Hideous Strength and Huxley's Brave New World are the two greatest dystopias in our language in the 20th century. They're books that show the danger of the utopian temptation, the danger of deserting a proper understanding of what the human person is. That hideous strength is the worship of power without goodness. Perennial human tendency is to want to be on the side of the winner at all costs. So that hideous strength, it talks about this perennial human tendency, which takes different forms in different countries and different eras, to worship power without respect to ethics. That can take the form of technological triumphalism, it can take the form of militarism, it can take the form of racism, it can take the form of what we nowadays call sexism, in the sense of the idea of the superiority of men over women, or it can take any number of forms, but the worship of power itself. Now that worship was very common in the ancient world. It was preached against for hundreds and hundreds of years in the Christian centuries and across the Christian era, and with some degree of effectiveness.